Hi, this is Clark with my continuing series of awesome powder coat engine tin installation videos. This series of videos covers the Porsche 356 from 48 to 65 and the Porsche 912 65, 66, 67, and 76 1600cc air-cooled engines. I also have 26 short videos on the Volkswagen Bug 1600 engine from 71 up. I have 6 videos covering the Porsche 914, the Porsche 912, 68, 69, and the Type 4 and late bus. I also have 37 short videos on the Chevy Corvair flat 6 engine. This particular engine is a 67 Porsche 912. It's been cleaned but not rebuilt. I'll show each piece of tin, what it's called, where it goes, and my suggested order of installation. Now, not every 356 and 912 has exactly the same tins, but they're pretty close, so I think you'll get the idea. This engine is finished in satin black powder coat with color-matched silver powder-coated fan shroud and other small items. The exhaust has been done in high-temperature silver gray finish. Let's get started. The very first part is a tiny part. It's called the dipstick surround. It's just a tiny little part, and it just goes on right like that. There's a couple screws that we're going to put in later. You don't worry about it now. Then we're going to put the dipstick in. Pretty exciting. I did the dipstick in red. I always do my dipsticks in red, yellow, or orange. This one's red. So there's the very first part going on the engine. The second part we're going to install is the crank pulley tin. This is a pretty small tin. It has to go on first because it goes behind the crankshaft. There's 2 screws right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll put that on. And you got to put this on before you put the crankshaft on. If I can get it started. Now, I always use brand new engine tin screws. You can use old, rusty, beat-up, boogered screws if you want, but it's so much cleaner and nicer to just start out with new screws. It doesn't cost very much, and they look good. So there's the first 2 parts.